Alright, so today I will be installing parts of my AEM EMS system. So if you're doing this for a S13, this mine's KA, obviously. They give you this little package right here, which I'm going to open up and show you. It is a timing disc, I think, or something for the distributor that basically sets it in time. It's this little thing, it came out of there. I'll show you how to take this, I'll show you how to put this one in, just reverse the steps to take it out. So, yeah. But the numbers on mine were on the top. There was nothing on the bottom. So, I don't know if it's standard like that. But anyways, I'm gonna open this package up and show you what's inside. Alright, so this is what came inside mine. I don't think it matters which way it goes. I'll look up on the PDF again. But like I said, mine didn't have any anything on it, I guess. But yeah, you basically just put that in here. Once I figure out what way it goes, let me get in there because this is, I do not want to drop this. Yeah, it just pops on there like that, one way or another, I guess. So if you're running a Nissan motor with these, with an AEM, this is called the trigger disc. From what I saw, it goes in like that, not like that. So, I'll put this on. I'll go back to the manual to make sure before I finish the install. But, so yeah, that's the trigger disc. You put that on. Take this piece. Don't lose your screw. It goes on top of that disc and basically sandwiches it in place. It's got a Phillips and a flathead. I just used a flathead. I didn't want to even worry about stripping out the what's it called? The Phillips. Where's that? There she goes. Obviously I need to put you guys down so I can fasten this thing, but that's how it goes, like that. Basically once that's fastened, that should be good to go. Next thing I took off, or yeah, second to last thing I took off was these. Put one down so I don't lose it. They go in this little guy right here. I don't know if it's necessary to remove these. I just did, so I didn't worry about risking bending the disc. So yeah, these are just a really small Phillips screwdriver. Very easy. Most of the stuff you just pulled off. It doesn't have any fasteners, but obviously these do. So I'm gonna put those on. I'll get back with you guys. The next piece I removed was this. It's got two fasteners. Both are Phillips, they're right there. This literally just pop that on in that little groove. And it should just, yep. Just two little Phillips screwdrivers, or screws right here and right here on the bottom. I'll show you once I actually grab the screws. So, these little guys. And then you just thread these in here. I'm about to drop this, so I'm not trying to pick, sorry. Thread these into here. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, it's there and there, but I'm gonna try to find that now. Okay, so I got very lucky. My fastener did not go into the back rooms, so we're all good. That's now fastened up. Next, you take this plastic piece, focus, that Mitsubishi makes apparently. So I guess I got a Mitsubishi distributor on this car, even though it's a Nissan factory one. You just take this and just pop it on. That's it. It's done. And then obviously, if you're watching this video for the focus, for removal, reverse these steps, and whatever I'm gonna say right now is gonna be very important. Take note or mark on that plastic right there where this thing was pointed, because there is no key. There's 3 spots, and I'm pretty sure they're all evenly sized. So make sure you know where this went before you go take this thing off and your distributor is messed up. It might be a little smaller here. I can't really tell that much on camera, but mark it and make sure you know where this was pointed. I know where mine was pointed. It was aimed like this down. So after that, obviously you take your cap and put your cap back on just like that, and then the 2 fasteners that are left, which are these 2, these long ones, they're Phillips, or I think mine was 9/32. It's probably something else in metric, but 9/32 is what I use to get it off, because my kit doesn't come with anything smaller than that in a deep well. So yeah, just put those things on, plug her back up, and it should be ready to rock. Obviously don't start her up until you get the AEM put in and flashed for the car. But yeah, that's essentially what you do. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this video was easy for you guys, and I'll try to start uploading more. See ya.